Me and Shell's out on the manoeuvre in the night time. Look at that, will you look at that? How do them cars get in there then, love?
I don't know.
They're cheating, aren't they? Fish and chippies. Brand new tarmac, well look at that. A girl driving a Mini. Robin Hood. Come on, over here. Make it look like we know each other. Stuart Rawls, huh? What are you doing over there, mate? You better come down. Honey mats. It's definitely the place to come for the pee. Anyway, this is what I'm married to. She's an alcoholic. Look, she buys two at the same time.
The last pizza we went again for another year or two.
No, next Friday. Every Friday. You take her out every Friday. She tells lies like you've never heard before but in your lifetime. Every Friday we go out, have a meal. Sometimes we find out where we're fucking going to. Because we got lost. You could have a ride in the stairs. Goes all the way down to the bottom. Gotcha. What shall I? Your wellies on. Thought she was a cowboy. Look at this. Will you look at this? There you are, there you are. Weatherspoons. All the bottoms we've done, yeah. And they're putting the street on top.
So,
no digging.
this don't affect us.
No, that car park we went in, we instantly turned and we're out here.
Oh, right.
What did you say to her?
Huh?
What did you say to her? Look, you turn around and walk down. Oh, she's stuck in there. So she can't get out for the rest of her life. So apparently they're tarmacking the road, so we come at the right time. I love the smell of tarmac in the morning. We're back to the Robin Hood. And there's about 10 people in there. There's 10 alcoholics per Robin Hood's nest. Come across the road, Cheryl. Don't get run over. Rabbit. Here's your blows, Mrs. Nurden. Right, we're heading out to this fucking car park. If I can find it all. Seatbelt on? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's make sure yes. Make sure you're in there, you know. No, we need to go out of there where we just come in. Oh, we didn't just come in, it was 20 hours ago. Well, I enjoyed that, thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. Very nice.
Could have let me bring the fucking drone, but you know, take it. I don't think you
I don't think Weatherspoons would have appreciated it left myself.
I wouldn't fly the drone in fucking Weatherspoons. Yeah. I'm flying bonfire night.
Yeah, well, you've only got to go to him that it's coming forward, isn't it?
What, bonfire night?
No,
Oh right, the you mean the
Clocks.
day clock.
clocks.
Well, I'm going to fly bonfire night
Yeah.
up above the streets and houses. Just come across, mate. Ignore me completely.